Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and I'm a fluid artist in the middle of the United States of America in Sioux City, Iowa. Thank you for joining me on my Fluid Art channel. Today we're going to do 2 bloom pours, and those bloom pours I'm going to show you the difference between what white and black cell activator looks like. Then those blooms will end up being wine glasses. So let's start with the blooms, and I want to show you exactly how I do them. And the first one we're going to do is the white cell activator. So the first thing you want to do is put on your Sherwin semi-gloss ultra white. That's what I use, but you just want to have a pillow paint. Then I mix my colors, and my mix is 3 parts Sherwin-Williams Bace C to 2 parts Minwax Polycrylic. And I mix those really good, and it's a 1 part paint to 1 part paint mix, and it makes a nice thick consistency. So you can see that I'm putting multiple different colors of blue on this tile here, and it's on my pillow paint. And again, you can use different types of pillow paint. I just happen to use this and it works super great. So the next step is the cell activator, and I use a mixture of 3 parts American Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam Paint, white or black. This one happens to be the white. 1 part glue all, and then 6 or more drops of Minwax wood conditioner. Then I just put it in the middle, and then you're going to blow down in the center, but you're going to take the white cell activator across the color paint as it glides across the pillow paint. So here I'm just pushing through the white in the center, through the blue, over across the pillow paint. And then now in the center there was so much white that I just pressed down with my air, and then the cells start popping up. And then I just spin it out, and this just takes the weight of the paint to the edges, and it creates the design for the full tile. So sometimes you may or may not like the design in the tile. So what I do is I take a skewer and I make these little curly cues. Just maybe there's an area that's got too much color or maybe too much white. And so I just start making a few little designs. And then once I'm done with that, I spin it back out again. And sometimes I spin it both directions. I go one way and then I spin it another way. And then this one I spent really fast, but I really wanted to get as much excess paint off of this one as I could. I had quite a bit on there. And you know, it's not bad, but I knew I was going to make this into some wine glasses. So there is the wet results. And then the next picture right here is the dried results. And this is a skin. I peel that off the tile and then I put them on my wine glasses. And those wine glasses, like I said, I have plenty of videos on how to make those. So go ahead and go to my channel and you'll find a ton of them. All right, so we're going to do this black cell activator next, and I'm going to use similar colors. I'm going to use the blue. So you're going to want to, again, put your pillow paint, which is that Sherwin-Williams semi-gloss ultra white, and then I'm just going to layer my colors. And again, my color mix, I have that a 1-to-1 ratio with my color paints. So whatever my paint is, I typically do a 1-to-1 ratio, and then I need to add maybe a little bit more mix or a little less. Like that seemed a little thick as it came off my stick, and I probably could have used a little bit more mix, could have put a little bit more polyacrylic in there to make it a little bit thinner. That's about the consistency you want, what you just saw there. All right, so I'm just going to continue to layer the colors of blue. I kind of alternate light, dark, so that way there's definitely a difference, a contrast between them, especially when I'm doing blue on blue. All right, so let's go ahead and put the black cell activator on instead of the blue, or instead of the white, instead of the white. And again, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to puff down and then across the colors, right? You're going to take that black or the cell activator, whichever cell activator color that you have, and you're going to go across the colors as you're using the pillow paint as a glider and as a pillow, because what it does is it kind of bounces it back up and it creates some fun cells for you. So there I'm just puffing straight down into the center to get that black. Now you're going to see this in a little bit of fast mode, how the paint is coming back to the center. I allow that to come back into the center before I start spinning it out again. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and spin this out again. And I'm gonna just start kind of gently. And as I get going, I kind of get going a little bit faster each time. But I just kind of take my stick and I spin it so that the weight of the paint that's in the center comes out and it stretches those cells. It's starting to look kind of cool there. Really like that. Let's go in the other direction now. And again, it's really up to you if you want to go in one direction or in two. It's completely up to you and what you find that's best for your technique. And I'm just going to make a little curly right in this dark black area. And I don't think I'm going to do much more to this than that. I just kind of wanted to get a little bit of the blue in there. And then I'll spin it out again here one more time, and then I'll show you the end results. And there you go. So that is the wet end results. And here's a photo of that. Really pretty, huh? And then this would be the dried results, and that's the skin. I've already peeled it off the tile. And then I take that and I put them on my wine glasses again. And here is a couple different views of this from the bottom. There's the black cell activator on the bottom and the white cell activator on the top. Thanks for joining me today, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you like this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye! Bye!